Here we go again with another trade of the day, and today it's NEO, baby. And we talked about this in the pre-market. NEO was long for a scalp. I was waiting to break this thing down for a short, and magically it happened right off the open. We actually got a little bit of a gift here. What levels were we looking at? Let's start with that. We were looking at 39 here today to break down through a multi-day bottom, right? So we tested 39 a little bit here. Going back, there's not that much. So we're only going back about a week and a half here to test those lows on 39. They had some negative news come through over the weekend. Unfortunately, another autopilot death or injury happening there. So they're going to investigate that, see what's up with the software, right? So right away, the first thing, do we have a catalyst? Yes, we do. Where direction? Downside, right? So I'm looking to short, and that's it. You're not going to see one long tick on here. These are all shorts. Right away, market opens up. There's always kind of a crazy move with NEO. So we were actually able to watch this go up, and I was like, hey, I'm not going to wait for 39 to break, which we do and we get it. But this went up and didn't make any sense to me. So we take a couple of those bids and slam them down. So we get short here at 39.50, then again at 39.58. Basically the high of the day here on NEO. Bang that to the downside. We're like, oh my God, this is a 1-minute chart. Those in the same minute, right there, that's 40 or 50 cent winner. Then we take it out at 39.10, just in case this level holds. Just in case 39 holds, you want to get out in front of it, just in case. But what happens is, bang, it just comes tanking to the downside. And then our 39 gets executed. Remember, we're hands off here. I've already put this order in. We've identified early that we wanted the short, and we're picking on 39 even. So that order comes out, bangs it to the downside, and here's 39 right here, a little bit lower. Hit the 39 to the downside, and then it's just cash, 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 cash. And in that same minute, so it's still the same, actually there's a second minute later, third minute later, we get a nice little bottom move to 38.50. And we actually talked about that in the pre-market, kind of where we may go here if this tanked down. I was happy taking 50 cents because I know NEO does get a lot of love and sometimes it will bounce. So we take that out, then all of a sudden back to VWAP, take a couple more pieces out, comes back in, we take another piece, and then right here, we miss that huge move down, take our last piece out. So the trade ended at about 10 o'clock. We started it right at 9:30. So it was about a half hour for me. We take it to the downside. And again, how is this possible? Look, we put it on our sticky note. I only had 4 names today. So it was very, very easy for me to watch this off the open. That's why we have the double shot there. We identified that it was strong, and I couldn't really see a catalyst for that. So again, we figured we wanted the short. The catalyst was there with the autopilot stuff. Plus Tesla was down in the pre-market as well. And the NASDAQ was down. So we had a few things working for us. I'm pretty happy with this. This was a good trade. One of my best trades today. Obviously could have held it a little bit longer, but what are we supposed to do? Comes right back into that area anyways, right? So that's a good trade for me. I'm happy. It's NEO. It's a short. We liked it. Catalyst, everything lined up. Multi-day break. Join us live every single day at 8:30. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, put some comments below. Hopefully you had this trade with me. If not, maybe you were long, made some money anyways. It's back up a little bit, still down that 6%. Every day, 8:30, Trader TV Live.